Hi, I'm Swati Sharma, Managing Director to VS Safety Enterprise. We are located in Rajasthan, Jaipur. So we started this journey joining with Svamitva project last year with getting the UAV from ideaForge. And I think they were the most safe and secure partners who have been with us with all the ups and downs through the journey. So when you do something, when you work on a project, it can't be always up and up. It has to be low as well. But the best part was that whenever there was a low, so ideaForge was standing with us. So that's the best part. When we do village mapping, so first of all we get the KMLs from the client. So we can look for a lot of technicality about and understand the technicality of the KML, like how the terrain would be, how long it will take for the flight time, what should be the mapping plan and other things, right? So once we get those KMLs, we speak with the local Tehsildar and inform them that we will be doing flying in this area. So they do Chuna marking of that particular area, and next day the pilot goes and does the flying of that area. Map Assist actually gives a lot of confidence to the pilot while they're flying the drones. That has been my observation because I myself is a pilot. So I feel confident when I'm using BlueFire Live and Map Assist of ideaForge. Himachal Pradesh is a very beautiful state with all the valleys around, and those valleys are very beautiful but very challenging for mapping. Why? Because when you do any such project where the height is being predefined, so we don't expect drone to go above that height. But when you fly in a valley, drone does not understand that this is the limit of flying. It goes up to the highest flying limit it can go. So that was same thing happening with us as well while we were doing flying in valley. Now, when we were able to identify this problem that data is getting distorted because of these things, ideaForge has joined hand with us, not only for the sake of giving technical advices, but also for solving this problem, and they ensured that the negative altitude is getting installed in our UAV so that this problem gets solved and we got correct data. So UAV is not a UAV, it's a solution provider. And in case of ideaForge, the biggest challenge which most of the companies face is that they get the data in, they capture the data, they have a lot of technical issues, they have a lot of data issues. So, you don't have a backup to solve it. But yes, in case of ideaForge, the whole team was there to help us out to come out of that challenge. Now, what is the best part of the UAV? Because the UAV is not a very light UAV, right? So it generally does not show a lot of reaction to the wind. And normally in the terrain, in a hilly terrain and all, the winds are high. So the flying becomes easier for you when you have a UAV which has a slight heavy body and can show resistance towards the wind. When we talk about UAV stamina, so that is very good. It can take 6 to 7 square kilometers in a day very easily. Like if a pilot makes some extra effort, so it can even go to 9 to 10 square kilometers. So far, we have been able to map some 350 square kilometers with the help of ideaForge Q6 successfully.